Hello there.
Hey people, Kiara here from MyDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 business using My Lead Gen Secrets, and we're going to only use one account. Now this is more effective with multiple accounts, but we're only using one account to emulate how beginners results should look somewhat. You know what I mean? Some of y'all might get a little bit more traffic than me, some of y'all might get worse. I don't know, it depends, but I'm doing it with just one account, just to kind of emulate what you can make. And day 54, maybe, I don't know, 55. I'm not entirely sure, but anyway, let's get started, shall we? Oh, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Now let's get started. Okay. So first, the reason why I like promoting the $25 business, let's talk about that for a bit, is because ultimately it's a funnel builder with a lot of bells and whistles. A bunch of other stuff comes with it as well, and it's smooth and easy to use and very capable, so to speak, without any limitations, which is the greatest part about it. Like, you can have as many people look at your funnel as you want, you know what I mean, stuff like that, and you don't need to worry about all kind of limitations, because you can make as many funnels as you want. Anybody that has an online business will let you know that you need a funnel builder, right? And the next, I think the most popular one is ClickFunnels right now. It's $97 per month. It's insane. It's insanity. All kind of limitations as well. Even if you pay the $300, you still got a ton of limitations. So that's why I like this product, because it's only $25 for it, and you're not gonna find a better funnel builder, in my opinion, besides maybe ClickFunnels. Anyway, the second reason why I like promoting this product, and I think the reason why most people are very interested in promoting this product, is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. That's insanity. And you could just slowly build up your income using it any kind of way you want. It's kind of like investing, but much more reliable, so to speak, especially nowadays. Investing kind of rough right now, but anyway. Guys, yeah, that's the reason why I like promoting this product, mainly because of its affiliate system. It's just way too juicy not to promote this product, you know. Okay guys, so let's get to it. Let's see what our results are here. Okay, now let's look over here. We did not get a sale today, which is totally fine, guys. It's normal, happens all the time. And plus, we just been super lucky lately with a lot of sales, bite to bite, which is fine. So one day without sales, not a big deal. This is what I'm trying to say. So what we're gonna do now. Oh, by the way, before I continue on, I wanted to mention that if somebody doesn't refresh their page like that, so to speak, then that means that they're not showing you their real results. It's very easy to change all these numbers around. So make sure they do that. Whatever YouTube video, how to make blah blah blah, and then they show results and it's just like a still frame, they don't refresh the page, don't believe it, because it's very easy to change them numbers around. I'm not saying they're lying, I'm just saying there's a really high chance that they are, because it's very easy to change all these numbers around. Anyway, let's keep it moving here. All right, we're gonna go to My Lead Gen Secrets. Let me log in here. I forgot to log in before the video. Sorry about that. Give me a second. All right, go to mailing system. Go to select all. Make sure you mail everybody. And we're gonna pick this time. We're gonna send this email that I made a while ago. It was called "Oh My Spleen." Eugene Jordan Connor just went all through. Now, if y'all remember this, I forget which day it was I sent this email, but it was a while ago. I can't remember what day it was, but I had made an email for you guys, like on the spot. It's one of my longer videos. It's like 17 minutes long, so it's one of them on this not too long ago, maybe like a week ago, and it came out. It performed pretty well. I got a ton of clicks on it, so we're gonna send that email again because it seemed to do really well. And I just I think I'm gonna send this email once again. You guys, you might have to go and yeah, I like this email here. So I'm gonna go with this email here, guys, and we're gonna see how well it performs. It did really well last time, so we're gonna try it again. Make sure the perfect timing as well, because perfect timing does is send an email around the time people check emails, right? And you want to make sure they get they get a good chance at clicking on the email, looking at your email. So yeah, that's a really good thing to do there. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure the preview, make sure the links work. I'm pretty sure they work because I wrote this email like a week ago. Y'all can watch that video. Y'all interested in making the email yourself. Anyway, yeah, that's all there is to it. We're gonna send an email. Boom. And that's all there is to it, guys. To be honest with you, we're pretty much done. Not much else to talk about. All of the links are in the description below for everything here, and very easy to get into, very simple. You see how quick that is. Only take about 5 minutes every morning, early morning. It's 5 o'clock for me right now. I just do this every morning, and I decided to make a video out of it. Why not? It's very easy to do, very simple to do, not much work needed to be done at all, and I'm making money from doing it. So there's no reason for me not to do this. So yeah, all the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.